Here we're going to calculate fugacity of water at 250 degrees C and 2.5 megapascals using data from the steam tables. And to do that, what we're going to do is make use of the equation that gives free energy at two conditions are related to the fugacity at those same conditions 1 and 2. And the Gibbs free energy in each case is H minus Ts. And the idea is that these values we can look up in the steam table, and therefore we can calculate the Gibbs free energy. In addition, in order to actually get a number from this equation, we need to know the fugacity at one of the conditions. So we're going to pick a condition for G1 that's low pressure. And the advantage of this is same temperature now, but as lower pressure as we can find in the steam tables, because then fugacity is identical to pressure. So let's look at the numbers from the steam tables. And so I'll show how we calculate G2, G2 being at 250 degrees C and 2.5 megapascals. So H2 minus TS2. Note that we made the temperature absolute by adding 273. And now we'll just multiply out, but also convert to units of joules per mole, because that's what we need to substitute into the equation. So I did the units conversion, and then I put in the molecular weight for water. So I have G2, and in the exact same way I could calculate G1. Just let me show you those values. So I'm going to go and rewrite our equation relating Gibbs free energy to fugacities. And now I'm going to substitute in values from the table. So notice that I substituted here fugacity 1 is the pressure into low pressure, and that's why fugacity is going to be equal to pressure. That's close to being ideal gas. Also notice that because the units are megapascals, then F2 must also be in megapascals. So let me just do the additions and multiplication. Now if I take the exponential of both sides, exponential of 5.426 is equal to 227. That's going to be fugacity 2 over 0.01. So therefore, fugacity 2 is 2.27 megapascals, or probably in significant figures, 2.3 megapascals. Thus, we've used the steam tables to calculate the fugacity of water at high pressure.